Hey guys, in this video I'll be reviewing an app called Finelo, which gives you instant credit directly to your bank account. Let's check it out. First, download the Finelo app from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open it up and register using your mobile number. You'll be asked to verify your PAN and complete a simple KYC process. Once that's done, the app will check your eligibility and assign you a credit limit. Most users get anywhere between 10,000 and 50,000 rupees. If approved, the credit is available instantly. To withdraw, just enter the amount you need, anything within your approved limit, and it gets sent straight to your bank account. You only pay interest on the amount you use, not the entire credit limit. The repayment period ranges from 62 days to 6 months. You'll also see a repayment schedule with exact dates and interest charges. If you repay early, you save on interest. That's a plus. One thing to note is that approval depends on your credit score. Also, the interest rate can be on the higher side if you're late with payments, so make sure to read the terms carefully. Overall, Finelo is a convenient option if you need short-term credit fast. Just borrow responsibly and repay on time. And that's it for this Finelo review. If you found this useful, give the video a like and hit subscribe for more app reviews. Thanks for watching.